All right, let's make the smoothest cold brew coffee you've ever tasted, right at home. No fancy gadgets, no barista skills required, just rich, bold flavor and zero bitterness. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, what do you need? Just two things really, coffee beans and water. For best results, go for a medium or coarse grind. If you've got whole beans, grind them up until they're about the texture of rough sand. Pre-ground coffee works, but fresh is always better. Now the golden ratio: 1 cup of coffee to 4 cups of cold filtered water. That's it. You can scale up or down depending on how much you want. Grab a large jar, pitcher, or French press. Dump in your ground coffee. Pour the water over evenly, making sure all the grounds get wet. Give it a gentle stir. Don't overdo it, just enough to mix. Cover it up and pop it in the fridge or let it sit at room temperature. Here's the trick. Let it steep for at least 12 hours. Overnight is perfect. This slow process is what gives cold brew its magic. All the flavor, none of the acidity. Time's up! Now you need to separate the coffee from the grounds. If you used a French press, just press it down slowly. Otherwise, grab a fine mesh sieve or even a cheesecloth and strain the coffee into a clean container. You've just made a cold brew concentrate. It's strong, so don't drink it straight, unless you're feeling brave. To serve, fill a glass with ice. Pour in equal parts of cold brew, concentrate, and water or milk. Want it sweeter? Add a splash of simple syrup or condensed milk. Fancy? Top with a little cream or cinnamon. Store any leftover cold brew in the fridge. It'll keep for up to a week so you can enjoy cafe-quality coffee anytime. And that's it. You just saved yourself a trip to the coffee shop and probably a few dollars too. Want to level up? Experiment with different beans, or add flavors like vanilla, orange peel, or even a pinch of salt. The possibilities are endless. So next time you're craving a smooth, refreshing pick-me-up, remember cold brew is just a jar and a little patience away. Cheers to better mornings!